guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Word chapter 1 simulation exam. Basically this is the first simulation exam of Word section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So now let's start this exam. So you can see questions are given here and we are supposed to solve. Each question has 3 attempts. There are total 13 questions. So open response located in the document folder. So we will click on file, click open, click browse, and we are supposed to open this response document. Select this one and click OK. Show non-printing characters. These are the non-printing characters from here. Click the Insert tab, insert text from flyer located in the document folder. So click Insert tab, text from file, and this one click Insert. Okay. Now save the file as a response. Okay, save this. That is the question 1. Now let's do question number 2. Position the insertion point after the sentence ending in the post-disaster recovery at the end of the first body paragraph. Here, then press spacebar and type "We are ready." This one. Select and delete the subtitle on the first page, preparing disaster. This one we are supposed to select this and delete this one. Click replace in the ending group on the home tab. Replace, and we are supposed to replace star, and we are supposed to replace with this start. Okay. Find next. Click replace to replace. Okay. At the next stop, click replace. Replace and click OK and close this one. So now it is saying click find in the ending group here. Then we are supposed to find emergency here. Click before the highlighted incident here of the word. Then we are supposed to close this navigation pane. Select the word emergency, so we are supposed to select this one emergency, and then it is saying and delete the word, delete this. Okay. Position the insertion point at the deletion and type safety. Safety. That is step question number 3. Now check for and correct spelling and grammatical error in the document. Ignore any grammar or other refinement concerns. Click OK when the spelling check is complete. Click Review tab. and here spelling. So we are supposed to type this climate change, sorry, we are supposed to ignore this one. It is saying check for and correct spelling and grammatical error in the document, ignore any grammar or other refinement. Click the design tab, apply the retrospect theme to the document, design tab, and from here change the theme to retrospect, this one. Okay. Okay, change the theme color to blue. We are supposed to change the theme color to blue, this one. Then change the font theme to Arial here. Okay, that is step number question number 5. So now we're going to do next question. Insert a continuous section break before the first body paragraph beginning with the global trend such as, click here, and we are supposed to insert a continuous section break. So go to breaks and from here insert continuous section break. Okay, click the column in the page setup group and select 2 column and select 2. Okay, insert a column break before the strengthening committees here. So we are supposed to insert a column break here, here column break. Okay, and that is question number 6. Then we're gonna do question number 7 now. Insert a simple one watermark. So from watermark, from here we are supposed to select simple one. This is simple one. Okay, customize the watermark, click custom watermark. It is saying with the color of blue, accent 1, this one, lighter 60%, blue accent 1, lighter 60%, click OK. Now it is saying add a page border to the document using box setting. So click page border, from here select box setting using single line, that is the first option, then color of blue accent 1, lighter 50%. Blue accent 1, darker 50%, this one, and width should be 1/2, click OK. So that is all about question number 7. Now we're going to do next question, that is question number 8. So I am doing this for you and you can follow me. Apply the heading 1 style to the strengthening communities paragraph in the top right corner on the page 1. This one, strengthening community. So go to heading style and from here apply heading 1. Okay, click anywhere to deselect this one. So you can click anywhere. Open the style pane and modify the heading 1. So from here we are supposed to modify the heading 1. Modify this. Then start to include bold formatting, this one, and a font color of black accent 1. This one. Click OK. So that is question number 8. So we are done with question number 8 now. And now we're going to do next question, that is question number 9 for you. Position the insertion point before the response readiness heading near the, here we are supposed to insert, and then it is saying we are supposed to insert a page break. So go to breaks and from here we are supposed to insert, page break. So we are supposed to insert the insertion point here before this heading, then we will go to breaks and we are supposed to insert a page break here. Okay, so that is all about question number 9. So now we are going to do next question for this, that will be the question number 10. And question number 10 is saying, insert a page break before the word response readiness at the end of page 1 here. Insert a page break, page break, okay. Save the file as PDF document in the document folder with the name, okay. Go to file, save as, then we are supposed to click on browse. So from here select PDF and click save, okay. So that was question number 10. So now let's do next question, that is question number 11. In the document properties, add an author of art. Document properties, go to file, click info. Author should be art and a keyword of response. Where is keyword? Here. Response. Okay. So that is question number 12. Now we are going to do next question, that is question number 12. Using the translate option on the review tab, translate the document into the Spanish. Where is the translate? Translate document, and from here, from English to Spanish. Where is Spanish? This one. Okay, translate this and delete the page break near the top right column of page. Delete the page break near the top right column of page 2. Delete the page break near the top right column of page 2. Where is page break on top right column of page 2? I can't see page break here. This one, I think we are supposed to delete this one. Okay. Now we gonna do last question for the simulation exam. That is question number 13. Check the document for accessibility. Check document for accessibility. Close the accessibility pane. Inspect the document for issues. Inspect the document for issues, but do not remove any information. Close this. Inspect and do not remove any. Close this. Go back. So that is all about this. So I have completed all of the questions for you. But if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me. You can also contact me to do this exam or all of the other exam. I will solve all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignment, exam, simulation training, simulation exam for you. So I am ready to do this complete course for you, and I will produce A grade for you. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will get back to you with another video. Thank you so much again.